Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning grain report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday with corn and wheat trading higher while soybeans finished slightly lower. They're all currently higher this morning ahead of today's USDA report. Export sales were released this morning. You had corn and wheat beating expectations, and then soybeans were within expectations. Wheat actually had some extremely large sales this past week. So if you want to learn more about the specific numbers on that and then all of the USDA expectations that we have for today, log on to grainanalyst.com, go to the daily report, has it all right there for you. So with that said, what's moving the market today? The dollar's really getting hammered today. Bernanke came out yesterday and said that the labor market needed further improvement before easing asset purchases. So that's really weighing on the dollar this morning. So it's supporting gold right now. Crude oil is actually down, so it's kind of surprising to see it down, although we have seen it surge quite a bit as of late. And the grain markets are slightly higher as we discussed. So without further ado, let's jump into the whiteboard and go over a few specifics for what the Reuters poll showed for today's WASDE report. All right, so let's jump in close here. All right, there we go. So everything is going to be in billion bushels, and we're just going to go over 2012 and 13 U.S. stocks and 2013-14 U.S. stocks. So expectations, these are average trade estimates. Again, if you want to see the whole realm of estimates, log into grainanalyst.com. So corn average trade estimate is 725 million bushels for 2012-13 ending stocks, and for soybeans it's 121 million bushels. If we jump down here for 13-14, trade expectation, average expectation is 1.898 billion bushels for corn, 266 million bushels for beans, and then 632 million bushels for wheat. So again, these are just the average trade expectations. If you want to see the full ranges of what the trade is expecting, log on to grainanalyst.com, go to the daily report, has it all there for you. That way you can look at it. Also, one thing to note, if you're a subscriber to Grain Analyst as well, we have a real-time USDA update page there. It's under Premium Services. As soon as the report's updated, refresh the page at 11 a.m. Central, and you'll get all the relevant data there. So thanks for tuning in, and trade well.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.